Hello students, welcome to the online teaching learning process of subject microprocessor. We are in the second unit and today's our topic is topic number 2.2, that is to study different assembly language programming tools. So in this video we will study about the different assembly language programming tools and their functions. POs mapped are PO1, PO4, PO6 and PO7. So the different assembly language programming tools we have with us in 8086 are: first one is editor, second is assembler, third is linker and fourth is debugger. All these tools are used to design an assembly language program in 8086. ALP tools means which the tools we will need to develop and execute successfully of a assembly language program. That is, whatever the tools are needed to develop a assembly language program. So what are the tools? First one is editor. In the editor we will write the program. Assembler will convert our assembly language program written into the assembly language format. Linker will link our assembly language program with the memory for execution, and debugger will debug the assembly language program for any errors. So coming to the tools, the first tool is editor. It is a program which is used to construct. It is used to construct or write the assembly language program in the required format. So the assembler easily convert it into assembly language. Editor, example of editor is nothing but Notepad, TextPad or Microsoft Editor. So these are the different editor programs. Editor means in which we can edit, cut, copy, paste, write the program. That tool is called as editor. So it is basically used to write the program. Assembler is a small software package inside the system which will convert our assembly language program into machine language, that is binary language. Linker, it is used to combine more than one separately assembled module into one executable file. So the linker is used to execute our assembly language program. It converts our .asm file into .exe file. And debugger, as the name suggests, it is used to find any error in the program. So the different assembly language programming tools we use are editor, that is we can use Microsoft Editor. Example of that is Microsoft Editor, Notepad, EditPad, etc. Assembler we used is either Microsoft Assembler or Turbo Assembler. Linker, Microsoft Linker or Turbo Linker. Debugger we used is Turbo Debugger. So this is the most important question related to this unit. So the first question is list ALP tools. So only we have to list the tools that are editor, assembler, linker and debugger, and explain the functions in which we have to write the particular function for the particular tool. So we have learned today about the different assembly language programming tools and their functionalities. Thanks for watching the video lecture. In the next video we will see about the different assembler directives and operators used in assembly language programming.